Railfanning avec la CN 2783 Ouest Glacier à l'avancée de Juniper.
Welcome to Kev's Railfanning. CN M305 is now on the approach to Juniper on January 7th, 2025 at 1500 hours Atlantic time. Today's 305 is powered by 2783 and exCREX lease unit, 3111 and mid-DPU 2934, and was reported to be 7,718 feet long, with 98 cars and 3 New Brunswick Southern Railway units. The NBSR units are off to Progress Rail in Mayfield, Kentucky to be upgraded. Most likely they will leave as Jeep 31 ECO units. They will be joining 3 other units that left last fall for Kentucky. The units are 3068, known by some as the Black Beetle, which started life as a Conrail unit. (906), a former CSX unit that started life in Louisville and Nashville colors. And 6942, another former CSX unit of Western Maryland heritage.
Railfanning avec la CN 2783 Ouest Glacier Eastern Juniper.
With calling a signal at Juniper, the friendly crew is getting close. It will be interesting to see what these units and the others will look like when they return. I am not sure how long it will be before the first one will be coming back. It has been lightly snowing off and on today, and the tracks have a thin coating of snow on them for 305 to dust off. So let's enjoy and watch CN M305 with Kentucky bound NBSR units.
CN detector, Napadogan 120. No alarms. Temperature -6C. Total axles 422. Speed 42. Détecteur CN, Napadogan 120. Aucun problème. Température -6. C. Total. Essieu 422. Vitesse 42.
505 avec le CN 2783 Ouest 1125 fusion Napadogan, pas de restriction.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this great video of CN M305 with Kentucky-bound NBSR units. Thanks again for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.